Rainwater harvesting is a simple and economic process to conserve rainwater rather than letting it run off from roofs, parks, roads, or open grounds. This water runoff can either be filtered and stored for later use or recharged directly into the ground. In this video, I will show you my fully working model of rainwater harvesting, which you can also make for your school project. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. With ample water all around us, why do we need to do rainwater harvesting? More than 97% of the Earth's water is salty and is not fit for consumption. Only 2.5 to 2.75% is fresh water, out of which only 0.5 to 0.75% is available for human use in the form of groundwater or lakes, rivers, etc. Rest is frozen in glaciers and ice caps and is not accessible to us. As we are pumping more and more water from under the ground more quickly than it can renew itself, water table is going down in residential and agricultural areas. This will eventually lead to a dangerous shortage in groundwater supply. Rainwater harvesting can help reduce this underground water depletion. Let's now see how my model of rainwater harvesting works. Here I have made a cloud from where rainwater would come. For this, I took a container and made some fine holes in it. When we put water in this container, it will fall down as rain. I cut a cloud shape on a cardboard and pasted cotton on it. Attach this cloud to our container. We can hold the cloud in air by using some sticks attached to the base of our model. This is a normal house or building made out of a cardboard box. It is placed on another larger box which is used to represent the ground. I have used a plastic container to make the rooftop of the building so that when rain falls on it, the cardboard does not get wet. Normally, this rainwater goes to the public drainage system via drain pipes and gets wasted. However, we can put a rainwater harvesting system here to make use of this water. Rainwater is naturally pure because it is formed by evaporation, condensation, and precipitation cycle. However, as it travels through the atmosphere or rooftops and reaches the ground, it may catch some impurities. So, it is very important to do some basic filtration before routing it to the ground. This drain pipe is connected to the filtration system where filtration can be done using layers of gravel, sand, charcoal, and fine mesh cloth. The filter system can be customized depending upon how we plan to use this water. This filtered water can then be stored in a tank for household use or sent to the ground to replenish groundwater. I have made a hybrid system where we can store certain amount of water in the storage tank. The overflow water is then routed to the ground via this overflow pipe. I have placed a plastic container below the ground level to represent the underground water. I have used this artificial grass to make a lawn. A plastic container is placed in a cutout below the grass so that when we water the grass, excess water goes back to the container representing underground water. I have put a water pump in this storage tank so that I can actually use it to water my lawn. Please note that we need to use a drinking water filter before using this water for drinking purpose. When we pour water in the cloud container, it falls on the rooftop, goes down the drain, gets filtered, and is stored in the storage tank. If there is a heavy rain, then the overflow water is transferred underground. To make our model work, we continuously need to supply water in the cloud and remove water from the tank representing underground water before it completely fills. So I have instead put a small water pump in the underground water to pump water into the cloud. That way we can continuously run our model with just filling it once. We need to, however, hide this pipe because this is something we built only for the sake of our model and it does not represent actual water flow in a rainwater harvesting system. These pumps are powered by 5-volt electric chargers. However, you may instead use battery packs. Let's now harvest some rainwater. Let's wash my car. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.